Hi, this is Grace. Today is the Lantern Festival, so we're going to make Tangyuan, also known as sweet rice balls. For filling, use 1 pound of ground pork, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, half a tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, 2.5 tablespoons cornstarch, and a bunch of minced green onions. You can mix the ingredients by stirring in the same direction by hand. I find using the food processor is much more efficient. The sticky texture is what we're looking for. Use a bit of oil to coat the spoon and your hand. Then, scoop about 2 teaspoons of filling. Gently roll to a ball. Store in the freezer for 1 hour. Now we can make the dough. Measure about 2 cups of sweet rice flour, half tablespoon sugar and a bit oil. Slowly add about half cup boiling water and stir. Then add cold water and keep stirring. The water amount can vary depending on the humidity. The goal is to make a soft dough, just like this. Divide the dough into 20 pieces and roll them gently into balls. Grab a rice dough and press in the middle to form a wrapper. Put the meatball in the center and wrap the dough around it. If the dough is not soft enough, you can always add more water. Try to make the edge thinner than the center. Bring a large pot of water to boil. Add the rice balls. Stir gently to prevent sticking to the bottom. Boil for about 7 to 8 minutes until the balls are floating onto the surface. Add a little cold water and let it come back to boil again. Prepare a bowl with half teaspoon chicken powder, a dash of soy sauce, and some green onions. Scoop the rice balls together with the water. Now it's ready to enjoy. The savory rice balls are A great way to celebrate Lantern Festival. This juicy rice ball with meat filling is so satisfying in a cold night. Thanks for watching. See you next time.